Good morning and Jai Hind students. This time I have taken your RFP book The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. So this is chapter 6 as I have explained you chapter 1 to 5 in my previous video. So this is chapter 6. So you know very well कि Helen Keller was a deaf, blind girl. शी कुड नॉट स्पीक ऑल्सो, वो ना बोल सकती थी ना देख सकती थी, तो टोटली डिसेबल्ड गर्ल थी. सो इट वॉज नॉट वेरी इजी टू टीच सच टाइप ऑफ गर्ल. सो हियर शी वॉन्टेड टू acquire knowledge about all the things in this world and she was determined for that, but process was very slow because she was a deaf, blind and she could not speak also. So her knowledge of things grew more and more. मतलब उसके अंदर ये होता था कि मैं बहुत सारी नॉलेज इकट्ठा कर लूँ, मैं सारी दुनिया के बारे में जान जाऊँ. एंड शी wanted to know about all the languages in this world and about all the things in this world. So once Helen brought some violets for Miss Sullivan, और जब मिस सलिवन ने उसके हाथ को किस किया, then she didn't like that because she wanted her mother only to kiss her. So she didn't like her teacher Miss Sullivan because Miss Sullivan was her teacher. She was always with her day and night. Then she told, means Miss Sullivan told her that I love Helen. She spelled, उन्होंने इसको लिखा उसकी लैंग्वेज में, I love Helen उसकी हाथ की हथेली पर लिखा. Then she asked what is love because she could not see, she could not understand, she could not listen. वो ना सुन सकती थी ना देख सकती थी, तो ये बहुत कठिन था उसको ये बताना कि लव क्या होता है. तो उसकी टीचर ने उसको बताने की कोशिश की कि लव को हम महसूस कर सकते हैं बट वी कांट टच लव, right? So once Helen found it difficult to arrange the beads in symmetrical patterns, Sullivan touched her forehead and then she spelled think. मतलब वो समझ नहीं पा रही थी कि think क्या होता है. Then her teacher touched her forehead and she indicated that it means to think with the use of mind. Then she came to know that love we can't touch, love and thinking we can't touch but we can understand. So her teacher Miss Sullivan also explained that it is love of nature, that it rains and clouds they shower and in this way they express their love. So it is about the things that she wanted to know about the abstract things that we can't see, we can't टच. हमें पता है कि हम थिंकिंग को देख नहीं सकते, हम लव को नहीं देख सकते हैं, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड ओनली. तो सलिवन वॉज हर टीचर, यूज टू स्पीक एज वेल एज स्पेल द वर्ड्स टू हेलन. सो शी वुड ऑल्सो स्पीक एंड शी वुड ऑल्सो स्पेल. वो उसकी हाथ की हथेली पर लिखती थी उसकी लैंग्वेज में. बट नेचुरल एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज इज डिनाइड टू द डेफ चाइल्ड. बट बिकॉज शी वॉज अ डेफ चाइल्ड, so it was very tough for her to understand everything. Helen was encouraged to participate in the conversation. It is very difficult for a deaf and blind person to converse properly. So, but she was very laborious girl and she was very determined to acquire knowledge. Here it is chapter 7. So we will see here about Helen Keller. As soon as Helen could spell a few words, means कुछ words वो spell कर सकती थी. Miss Sullivan gave her slips of cardboard which words were printed in raised letters. Raised means as you can touch those words. So Helen could pick up the words quickly. She had a frame in which she could arrange the words in little sentences. In this way, she tried to speak. She tried to express whatever she wanted to speak. Everything Sullivan taught her, she illustrated it with a beautiful story or a poem. Means she was learning how to express. They read and studied out of doors, mostly means Helen always loved nature and she learnt geography, history in nature, in the lap of nature. So Helen could feel mountain, ridges, valleys and rivers. Helen never liked arithmetic, उसको मैथ्स नहीं पसंद थी. So valleys और rivers को उसने टच करके, mountains को उसने टच करके महसूस किया. Then she acquired with the sea and its creatures, क्योंकि मिस सलीवन उसको सैंड से बनाती थी, जैसे क्रोकोडाइल है, फिश है, कि these are creatures and these creatures live in sea water. So it is the hard work of Miss Sullivan that she explained everything. Miss Sullivan's genius, quick sympathy and loving acts made Helen's education very beautiful, interesting and thrilling. For Helen, her teacher was everything. So it is about chapter 7 and I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.